What type of wagon should we pull? That's perfect! Only the boldest of engines will try cannonball curves. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left, great! Excellent! Woohoo! Yeah! Love that!
The great race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. The other racer has taken the lead. You've taken the lead. Smashing. You're in the lead. The other racer has taken the lead. Winner! What a turn of events. Congratulations.
There you are. Good to see you. Help the passengers board the carriage. What type of wagon should we pull? Well done! Only the boldest of engines will try cannonball curves. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Great! Excellent! We all love your train set.